Hi, today we are going to discuss about the cloud computing, its basics, characteristics, various service models, and cloud architecture. So let us see the overview of the cloud computing, service models, deployment models, architecture, and the research areas of the cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Internet-based computing in which large groups of remote servers are networked and sharing of data processing tasks, centralized data storage, online access to computer resources, and entirely relied on internet. So what is cloud computing? Again, is a definition. So it allows users to deal with the software without having the hardware, like a thin client example. So everything is done by remote, nothing is saved locally. So cloud computing has a lot of advantages. So this is one of the advantage. So what are the characteristics of cloud computing? Empowerment, agility, API. API is nothing but application programming interface. Cost, device and location independence, visualization, multi-tenancy, reliability, scalability and elasticity, security and maintenance. So this is purely based on data. If you could see the history of the cloud computing, in 50s and 60s it was only a theoretical concept. In 90s we have VPN, and in 2000 we have AWS, Amazon Web Services. So various service models of the cloud: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In infrastructure as a service we have virtual machines, servers, storage, load balancers, networks. Whereas in platform as a service we have execution, runtime, database, web servers, development tools. In software as a service we have CRM, customer relationship management, email, virtual desktop, communication, games, etc. In cloud clients we have web browser, mobile app, thin client, terminal, emulator. So thin client doesn't require any hardware. So these are all the services provided by the cloud computing. So the deployment models of the cloud computing, it includes public cloud, community cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. So public cloud done by the service providers, community cloud which is the organization from a specific community with common concerns, private cloud operated solely for a single organization, hybrid cloud is a combination of private, community or public or community, and private cloud rentals is that it's an option to consider when security is concerned. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private. We have on premises and off premises. So the architecture of the cloud computing is the software systems involved in the delivery communicating over a loose coupled system or mechanism. So cloud services, cloud platform, cloud storage and cloud infrastructure are all the architecture. So cloud service is queue, cloud platform is web front end, cloud storage is database, cloud infrastructure is building virtual machines. So the intercloud is cloud of clouds. So far we have seen the architecture, service models of cloud computing. The cloud engineering is also an important one, which is a high level concern based on commercialization and standardization and governance. So we are at the last part in this introduction to cloud computing. So let us quickly revise what we discussed earlier. So we have seen the cloud characteristics, cloud service models, cloud deployment models, cloud architectures, what is cloud engineering and all. So these are all the sources for this cloud computing basics and introduction, so that you can get to know about more about the cloud computing. So cloud research, if you see, is a very on-demand one. So cloud virtualization and platform virtualization. These are all the emerging fields, and building and virtual machines is also important concern. So cloud security plays a major role now. Thank you.